Hello everyone, welcome to official YouTube channel of SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. I am Maya Sharma, Faculty of Science at SRN International School, Jaipur. Today I am going to explain chapter 5 of grade 5, that is nervous system. Children, the organs which connect us to the outside world are called sense organs. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin are five sense organs are found in our body. They help us see, smell, hear, taste and feel. Let us discuss one by one. Eyes. Eyes are the sense organs of sight. We see various things with the help of eyes. Our eyes are very sensitive. Eyes are like a round ball and fit into the sockets of the skull. Eyebrows and eyelashes protects our eyes from sweat and dirt. The front part of the eye is protected by a transparent covering called cornea. The color part of eye is iris. The black spot in the center of iris is the pupil. Light enters the eyes through pupil. The iris controls the size of the pupil. It makes it larger or smaller to let in the right amount of light. Behind the pupil is the lens which forms the image of the object you see on a screen called the retina. The nerve cells in retina send messages to the brain through the optic nerves. The brain reads the message and enable us to see the object. How to take care of your eyes? Children, sit at least 5 to 6 feet away from the television while watching. Wash your eyes daily with clean water. Do not read in a very dim light and in a moving vehicles. It strains your eyes. Do not watch TV or play computer games for a long time. Never rub your eyes with dirty hand. It may cause infection. Next is nose. Children, nose help us to smell various things. We breathe through our nose. Inside the nose, there are nerves endings which are sensitive to smell. The messages are sent to the brain by the nerves. Our brain tells us about smell. So dear students, keep your nostrils clean by blowing it gently. Do not use your finger to clean the nose. Next is ears. We have two ears, one on either side of the head. These are the sense organs of hearing. We are able to hear various sounds with the help of our ears only. They also help us to keep our balance. The part of ear we see is the outer ear. It is like a funnel and collects sound waves and passes them to the eardrum. The eardrum starts vibrating like a skin of tabla. When stuck with sound waves, these vibrations pass into inner ear where nerve cells are present which send signals to the brain. Then we hear. So dear students, you have to take care of ears. Never put any pointed objects in your ears. Clean your ears with an earbud. Do not listen to a very loud noise or music. Next is tongue. Tongue is the sense organ of taste. We can taste various foods with the help of our tongue. There are four kinds of taste buds in different areas of tongue. They help us taste sweet, sour, salty and bitter of food items. So you have to clean your tongue daily with a tongue cleaner and clean water. Next is skin. Skin is the sense organ of touch. It covers the entire surface of our body and protects it against injuries and germs. It has nerve endings that help us to feel heat, cold and pain. So dear students, you have to keep your skin healthy. Take bath daily with clean water and soap to clean dirt and dust. Wear clean clothes. Apply antiseptic cream to any scratch or wound to prevent infection. So dear students, that was all about today's topic. I hope you must have understood well about five sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel to get more knowledgeable videos. Thank you.